So if you want to make a professional resume like this, which covers each and every detail in a very precise format, please do watch this video till the end. So if you are a fresher or a working professional, a better resume is always needed. So in this resume you can easily see your picture, your name, your job profile and all the necessary details in a very structured and in a nice way. So I'll be teaching you how to make this resume without using Microsoft Words or PowerPoint, just by clicking on one website. So please do follow. So first of all, you just need to type Novo Resume on the Google and hit the enter button. The very first website, that is Novo Resume, you just have to click on it, and after that you can sign in using your Gmail ID. I have already signed it in, so you have to select the first option, that is resume templates. So there are n number of them you can find over here, but what I generally prefer is this first one, and inside that you can find various layouts. So you have two categories over here. First one is resume and the second one is CV, and this belongs to 0 to 5 years, so you have to select this one only. I have already prepared this resume from this website, so I'll give you one hint. As you can see, I have just came over here. All these details were previously filled as blank. I've clicked on each of the section and I've just modified it. For example, if I'll click here, I can type my username or whatever name you are having, your first name or your last name. After that you can give it your email ID, your phone number, your country, city, address. So once you'll give it, it will seems like this. Your email ID will come over here, your phone number will come over here. And after that you can give a gist about yourself. Looking forward to an opportunity for working in a dynamic, challenging environment where I can utilize my skill for the developing of my career and for the growth of the organization that will help me become a better individual. After that, education sections will come. You have to provide your college name, the time period in which you have graduated, your course, etc., your personal project, the name of your project and the description. And in work experience, if you are a fresher, you can mention your intern or on whatever project you have worked on. You can add skills one by one. You just have to click on one skill and you have to click on add skill, and one section will come and you can type the name over here. After that, your achievements, your certificates, your language and your interest. Isn't it so simple? And believe me guys, if you will spend a lot of time on Microsoft Words or PowerPoint, you will waste a lot of time over there. So just come over here and make your resume, and few of the resumes are free on this website. And believe me, you need not to buy the premium membership. This will work for you. Even I have made my resumes from here only. So please do log in, and you have various options. You can even change the layouts, like if you want to change this skill section and wants to bring it downwards, you can do the same. They have already given you 3 custom layouts, and even you can click on templates to select how you want to like it. So this is a very best website for creating the resume. So do like this video and definitely share this video with your friends so that you can help them by knowing how easily you can prepare a resume and it will look world class. Thank you so much. Now your work is to prepare a sample resume. Send it to me on my email ID, which is in the description. Also subscribe to this channel for viewing such awesome content on the daily basis, and please share this video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.